Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It is 9:37 a.m., October 9th. I know it's been a little while since I've done a video. I've got a lot of things going on in life right now, I'll be honest. But yeah, I definitely felt like I needed to do a video. We have an M-class flare inbound and several C-class. Here we are at Space Weather Prediction Center, NOAA. As you can see right up here, at any time anybody can hit pause and you can type these exact things in and you'll be right where I'm at. This is the deep region absorption prediction chart of X-rays, and here we will see our glorious C flare, or M flare. Woo, look at that. Yeah, buddy, right there's the maximum at 6:40 a.m. UTC time, minus 5 hours off of that. That'd be 1:40 Central Standard Time in Oklahoma and Texas area. And that baby popped off right at India, right in the Indian Ocean. Ooh. So yeah, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, Saudi, all that of Africa. Look at that. That's some serious stuff right there. We're looking at about 27 hertz. Yeah, about 27 hertz. You can see right over here. Here's the hertz right here. Here's our absorption. So we're right about here. Pretty close. Right about there, don't you think? Right about there? And then you look over here and you can see the same thing over here. So that's pretty significant. And look how long it lasts. It takes a minute. I mean, let's really get it started over 6. Ooh. Oh man, that thing comes on really quick. Let's try and get how long the event lasts. So from 6:29 until my goodness gracious, look at that. Oh, had another little pop behind it. From 6:29 to about 8:50. Woo. Folks, that's like 2.5 hours. Goodness gracious, that's a long hammer. That is a long hammer, ladies and gentlemen, a long hammer. You can obviously see our sunspots are way up from what their little model is. There's our flares, way high. Let's go up a little bit more. I'm almost afraid to hit that thing because I know that that's all jacked up. Look at this bad boy. Look at all this action going on here. I mean, holy cow, this is our density. Density seems somewhat low. And then our speed, and then starts scrambling like this. Well, we got a lot of solar weather coming from our coronal holes. I'll show you a couple coronal holes and what I'm talking about here in just a little bit. This is our temperature. Wow, I've never seen it act that wonky, but it's definitely wonky. That's for sure. Right up here, this was yesterday. Well, this was 2 days ago, but this was yesterday. We had a double pop there, a pop there, and then this morning we had this guy, and then this one. Now you remember how I had like that? It almost looked like it kind of came back a little bit. That was this little fella right here, right even with a C. So we've definitely been getting hit the last couple of days. Of course, nothing's going to show up yet. October 11th, we're up at a 4 right here for our possibility of geomagnetic storms. Yep, R1 minor. So we will. We'll get to that here in a little bit. This right here, this is the little bugger that's doing it. Look at the size of that thing right there. That is actually the size of our planet. And this is the coronal hole right here that we're getting into. This is what's causing all the wind and density right here. We're getting hit with this, and then this bugger pops off, and it causes a solar tsunami. You can see it going whoosh. This one's not going to show it, I don't think, because it shows 1432. Let's give it a try, huh? See what happens. Yeah, this is After Effects. Yeah, we'll go to another spot. You guys know I got that covered. Before I go too far off of Space Weather Prediction Center, this right here shows the 14th, okay, at 8 a.m. This is from the M-class flare. Okay, you can see, it came off on the 9th, which is today, And you can see this one, I'm actually impressed that they actually got this one up and running, because usually this thing's a mess. But look at that. That's actually pretty decent that they got that going. But let's take a peek at this guy over here. Let's take a look and see if they got this one up and going. Whoa! What is happening here? What is the difference? Look at the difference between the two. This thing's got us getting pop, pop, pop. That ain't no good. Did anybody know about this one here? I don't know. My goodness. Yeah, those did come in and get us, didn't they? And then this thing comes up, and this should be... That's the one that they're looking at for the M-Class on our other model that we looked at. Wow, we got tattooed there, folks. Yeah, sorry, I kind of fell behind on it, but yeah, we're... And this is what gets me every time. This is Mars. Watch what happens to Mars, folks. Watch this. This thing, it's like Mars ball, corner pocket, and it gets popped. And it goes, look at that, look at that. What's it doing? What is happening to Mars? It's like literally Mars, corner pocket, bam, and it just... That poor little fella. Watch him. Oh my gosh, what was that? Okay, folks, this one's got me like scratching my head and like puckering my pooper a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie. This is we're over here at spaceweatherlive.com. Look at that thing. Like unfortunately, I don't have a thing to hit play on this thing, but look at this thing smacking out. It's straight out Earth directed, and you see all these little black and white little ropes? These are actually our magnetic lines that keep us tied to the sun, if you will. Obviously, it's not an actual line, but it gives you an idea. So we're getting smacked hard, but that's not just the only thing that concerns me. Look at how the lines come up and interact with our planet. That is alarming to me, because our line keeps us to the sun, and then you've got the other magnetic lines from like Mercury, which is right here. And where's that other guy? What's the Bepi? It looks like that's Bepi right here. That's right in next to Mercury. So he's got his little magnetic line. But even right here, this is stereo A. I mean, they all come in here and they interconnect, and they're going through our planet as well. And then you watch this. Ours over here, it's just snapping. I don't really like that. That seems concerning to me. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I've never really paid attention and known that, oh hey, the magnetic line from another planet is directly interacting with ours and crossing, and yeah, that's got me a little concerned. But they definitely got it speeding up, and we're actually on Space for Life, and this one, it shows hitting us as a direct smack, and this thing, yeah, we're gonna have some fun times up ahead. Ooh, can't wait till we get down to here, huh? That's gonna be fun, right? Well, let's roll that beautiful beam footage. Alright, so here we are over at SOHO, Solar and Heliospheric Observatory. You can see the website up top. You can always hit pause and go follow this yourself and look at some things for your own entertainment and education. So I'm actually a few frames ahead, and looks like I've got me a little buddy right here. One of my little buddies. Body, wings. Oh, look. Wings and a tail. That's interesting. So let's go ahead and go back, and we'll hit start from... Oh, look, a couple signature trails. And we'll hit start from the very beginning, shall we? Oh, look at this. Wow, that's a good one. Boom, 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 boom. Acceleration like a pulse wave engine. Oh. Alright, now let's hit play. And it actually does a pretty good job of showing us every single one. Look at all that plasma. That is coming. This is coming right at us. See all of that coming at us? Yeah, buddy. Fun times. Wow, look at all that activity out there. Almost looks like Star Wars, doesn't it? Whoa, you guys see all that? Don't worry. I'll do another video tonight. Quite a bit going on there, folks. I'll do another one later on today, and I'll do all my screenshots, and I'll just actually take time with it a little bit and show everybody. So let's hop over to Lasko C2. Alright, We were over at Lasko C2, and yeah, I always kind of pre-look before I hit record. But yeah, look at the little board cube and a line of Memorex where they're overlapping and changing things. Let's go back one more, shall we? What is that? Hey there, little buddy. Hey, little fella. How you doing? Look at that, wings, tail, and a head right there. And look, a propulsion signature trail. Wow! In fact, I'll almost bet you that's one of my little buddies over there too. It's amazing how it doesn't take very long and then all of a sudden you start seeing stuff. Oh yeah, that's definitely one. Alright, let's go ahead and hit reset. Sorry, I could go off on this forever. Let's go ahead and hit reset and we'll hit play and we'll let her rip, Tater Chip. Alright, I go to speed about 11 so that way you can kind of see a little bit better when it actually pops off. Oh, see, there was one. See it coming off here? That's one. Boom, there's another one. Ooh, there's all kinds of activity on this one, isn't there, today? Ooh, fun stuff. Oh, Memorex flashing. This is going to be fun later on this afternoon, folks. Whoosh, you see that? Oh, dude, what was that coming off to the side? Did anybody see that? Let's just go to 126 here and hit play. But we're going to slow her down a little bit. Because ooh, there's some fun stuff here, isn't there, folks? Right as she's starting to pop, watch right over here. Almost looks like a planet is coming out. Like she's good, like the sun is giving birth, like birthing something. Here she goes, boom, whoa. All right, let's do one little frame at a time, shall we? Oh, look, a friend. Hang on. What is that? What is that? What is going on? And look, it even pops off over here. What's going on? Oh, hey there, little buddy. Wings and a tail, signature trail. What is this? Oh, we'll have to go over to seeds and we'll have to take a little sneaker peeker. Look at that. Oh, it almost looks like there's one here and one here. And one here. What is that? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's the end of the road for this one. Let's go check it out, folks. Okay, folks, this is what's unbelievable. Here goes our taxpayer money. Right here. Look at this. The 7th, 8th, and 9th offline. You can't look at it. Look at this. Because usually you should be able to tap on it like this. I mean, you can see I've been there, but nope, not here. You can't have access. But we do seem to have access down here. So let's give that a look and see what we can find. Folks, I don't even know what to tell you anymore. This is the first picture from today, trying to take a peek at what we had going on. And they've only got 9 frames up. I checked yesterday, there's only 12 and there's nothing on them at all. I mean, watch this. We'll go to the next day. I mean, honestly, I've never seen that, so that's kind of interesting. But like, this is literally, these are the pictures that they're giving us. Now, they give us this little guy right here and here. And then, of course, the one going away. That's at 6:23 in the morning. So we'll come back over here and we'll take a peek here in just a little bit. Let's see what else we got. So remember, 6:23:54. And then here we go, we got this pop. So you can kind of see one here. But the very next one, it just kind of, I mean, look at the time gap. They're giving you an hour and a half of just data missing. I mean, this is getting ridiculous. They're literally not giving us anything. I mean, that's just disrespectful. That's our taxpayer money at work, folks. We should be able to watch that step by step. And they're taking it away from us. Like, nope, sorry. Oh, look, could be one right there, too. One right there. Maybe one right there. This is getting upsetting. I'm definitely going to have to make another video, folks, because I still have not even been here yet so that we can even view the explosion. But we'll get there. Next video, I'll post here in just a moment. This is not good.